Hi everyone, I just want to do a quick little video here about the panels and how to access them or to reveal them or to hide them or how to customize your workspace. I had a question the other day about not having the adjustments window available or the adjustments panel available. And right here I'm in the photo panel and nothing is there that says adjustments. So I can just come up here to where it says window and go down to where it says adjustments and bang! There's my adjustments panel, but it's hanging out here. If I want to dock it into here with the libraries, let's say, just click the tab and drag it over to there. Now it is in a panel. If I want to get rid of one of these tabs, I just drag it out and click the little X and it goes away. I can come up to Window and I can change to these different workspaces. These are just default workspaces. A lot of times they look something like this. If you go to the photo workspace, it looks something like this. Depending on how you set it up, you have a lot of workspace or a little workspace. You can pick and choose the panels that work for you. I have a workspace that I created, and if I come up here it says My HP. And My HP has all of my stuff on the left-hand side because then I don't have to be scrolling all the way across my screen to get to different elements that I want to work with. If I come back up here to just HP, now it's back to a traditional configuration that I like to use, which is layers and channels in one panel and properties and adjustments in the other. So when I click on an adjustment layer, I'm going to be at the top of my layer stack here, I'll click on the hue and saturation because that's something you guys are playing with, and I click colorize. I went from the adjustment panel to the properties panel, and this is where we can do all of our adjustments. So like in the tool panel over here, we have different adjustments or options in the options bar. All of the different options for the different adjustments appear as properties. So just know you can pull them away and get rid of them. You can click, hold, and drag them back to dock them. If you want to configure a space how you like it, set it up and go back up to Window, and then where it says Workspaces, come down here and we are going to create a new workspace. And you can title it what you like. I'm going to call this HP, just so we know what it is. We'll hit save. Now, when I go back up here, we're going to go Workspace. I'm going to go back to My Workspace. That's the one I like to work in. And then we're going to go back to Workspaces again, and we'll just go back to the new one we created. So you can have different workspaces for different types of workflows. Hopefully that helps you. Remember two things. Window has all of the panels here. And then you can also create workspaces that you save. And there are some presets. Go and play. You can always get it back by clicking on Essentials or the photography. Have some fun.